Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, this is just a very quick video just to show you a little extra that I've got. It's not diamond painting, but it might be something that I absolutely, hopefully will love. So I've opened the packet because I thought, oh, what's this? Because I'd forgotten what I'd bought. Oh, is that the invoice? Just let me take that out. Right, so yeah, it's the Facebook buy. Oh my goodness me. Yeah, let's get it out the bag before I start saying anything. So we have a little wildinart Christmas decoration. I've not bought from them before, and the postage was only £1.50, would you believe, which is amazing value. I don't know how they've done it for the price, but yeah, brilliant. I will put links down below, but it is, look, a little Scottie Dog Christmas decoration, and we've got to have a new Scottie Dog Christmas decoration. I try and find a new different one every year, and I just think this is super. And it's actually by if you're in the UK, you may know, or if you're on Facebook and follow Scottie Dogs or anything like that, you may have seen in Scotland earlier on this year they had some of the big figurines of Scottish Terriers. Here in Hull, we've had moths for Amy Johnson, who was the first lady to fly to Australia, I think, yeah, breaking records. Wonderful lady. We've got a statue of her here in Hull as well. And then we had some toads, which were like big frogs, toads, and they were to do with the poet Philip Larkin. And then we had the puffins. So I have got videos. If you check out my playlist up there, I have got a video of when we went out for the day and went looking at as many of the puffins as we could possibly see. They're all like, I don't know, I don't think they're fiberglass, I'm not sure what they're made from, maybe resin, but they're really big statues, and we've had them all over the country. And in Scotland, of course, they had the Scottish Terriers, and I would love to have gone to see them. But obviously with hubby being poorly this year and being in hospital for quite a while this year, then we didn't get to go. So when I saw on Facebook that the company that were in charge of the big Scotties, they've all been auctioned off now, had made a smaller version to go on your Christmas tree, I thought it'd be rude not to. I have to get one of those Scotties. So this is it. I've not looked at it yet. So looking at the box, it looks very professional and very nice. So it's a wild world. Wildinart creates fun, family-friendly public art trails across the UK and beyond. Discover more at wildart.co.uk. So yeah, something to go and have a look at. But I think it's great fun. I think, was it Brighton had the snow dog? You know, from the Snowman cartoon, and then they brought out the snowman and the snow dog. And they had all snow dogs where he's got socks for his ears and things like that. I would love to have seen that one as well. But anyway, never mind. Right, so, oh, well packaged. Oh, look at this. Oh, he's very nice. Oh, and he's quite heavy. Oh, it's pottery. Oh, I was expecting it to be like a resin or something, or an acrylic, but he's actually a pottery Scottie. Oh, and he's got wildinart on his tummy. Oh, he's gorgeous, look. Oh, that's lovely. And he's got a nice little hook there and a really long string. But look at that little face, it's Millie Moo. Oh, with a little Christmas hat on. That wouldn't be Millie Moo with a Christmas hat on. She certainly wouldn't be stood up. Oh, but that's gorgeous. And I think altogether it only cost me about £10. Or was it £10 and then £1.50 postage? I know it was a really reasonable price. I mean, if you look, if you ever Google Scottish Terrier Christmas ornaments, some of them are really expensive. I know some of them are glass, and I have got some of the glass ones. But yeah, for this, from it being from the bigger figures and being from this company, I just think that's really good value. And it's lovely. And it's so pretty. Oh, love that. Oh, that'll definitely be going downstairs in pride of place. Actually, I might put it on the fireplace, to be honest, so that I can see it, because where I sit is opposite the fireplace, so I look across there and see it. Oh, it's just got a little bit of a bent here. So it's maybe the hat's bending it down, but Scottish Terriers usually have very Scottish Terriers usually have very pointed ears. So yeah, but oh, that's lovely, and it's come so well packaged, so when I put it away for next year, it's got a really good box that I can put it in. Oh, that makes me sound old. A really good box. So it won't get damaged for next year. But that is lovely. Oh, I'm really pleased I got that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. I know it's not my usual thing, but I just had to come on and show everybody. If you've enjoyed looking at this little Scottie with me, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'd love you to join our little family. You can do that by pressing that subscribe button down in this corner, and then the all notifications bell lets you know when a video's been uploaded, so you don't get to miss anything. But oh, it's even got, look, all shaped out there. Look, you can see round the mouth. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Okay, well, thank you ever so much for stopping by and seeing my Scottie, my other love, diamond paintings and Scottie dogs. What can I say? Thanks again for stopping by. Do take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.